Hey guys, Michael here. Just wanted to do a cool little side-by-side of my buddy's GX as well. You can see he's got the same bumper. Obviously he's got a black GX. So same Lil B's front bumper. He's got the lights, he's got the winch. Same wheel and tire package. Has not done the rack yet, or the rear tire carrier, but yeah guys, it definitely looks mean. Wanted to just shoot this real quick so you could see what it would look like on a darker color GX. Very cool looking. So I'll go around back. I think right now he's debating what to do on the rear tire setup. So here's kind of that 3/4 angle for his, and it looks super sharp, man. Yeah, I think obviously he's got some good options, whether he goes full bumper or if he does the same rear door mounted one like I've got. Same for the rack too. Trying to figure out exactly what his use is going to be and how he's going to set it up. But figured you guys would like this, just so you could see it with a different color. Again, it looks super mean. The lift with those wheels and tires and all blacked out. But yeah guys, just a quick little video. Figured you might like it. Again, here's kind of the front, and hope you all have a great 4th of July holiday coming up soon. See y'all.